this is the Rivian Field Kit that fits in the door of the driver's side compartment of the truck. We ordered it. We didn't really know exactly what's going to come in it, but it came with everything you see here. It came with some gauze, some zinc oxide tape apparently. It came with a scalpel, and it came with a replacement blade actually for the scalpel, some latex gloves, a little tiny roll of duct tape, a whistle, a tourniquet. It came with a little tiny pencil, a finger splint. It came with a little piece of quick fire if you want to light that on fire to start a fire. It came with a bunch of Aqua tabs for like killing bacteria in water, a little pair of scissors, a little tweezer, and a magnifying glass. One of these like blood stop kits for if you get like a really bad wound. A burn dressing. It actually came with a life straw as well. And then it came with a whole bunch of different little drugs, like you know, for like a headache, whatever, pain management. It also came with a little bit of ointments and stuff, I guess, if you get like scratches and everything. It came with a little rope. I don't really know how long that rope is. It came with a little tiny shovel. One poncho, and it came with one poncho and one emergency blanket. I don't know where it is. Oh, here it is, the emergency blanket. I really think it should have came with two at least. But other than that, it's actually pretty. Oh yeah, it came with this little bag too that all the medical stuff goes into, and then this goes inside of it as well. Yep, your CPR face shield. The bag did seem to be really large, and it does kind of push out on the door a little bit. So we have the Field Kit. It's designed to go in the passenger door here. The passenger door, if you look, it has the little spring-loaded thing here. I mean, I wouldn't want it where it's like pulling on it all the time. I compressed the bag down as best as I could, but it seems to push out just a little bit. Well, actually, maybe it fits pretty well.
A little.
I mean, it's obviously the bag is the right size, but I think they put so much stuff in it that it doesn't fit perfectly. Maybe removing all the Ziploc bags would make it fit, but maybe it'll compact down if we just leave it in there for a day or two. But it does seem to push on it a little bit, but it's not really bad. It's a nice thing.